Hello everybody, welcome back on the channel. My name is Aga, but you probably know me as Crafts. I prepared for you 3 very easy Christmas cards, but I will be putting them one by one. So today the first one, and I think the easiest one, with the drawn by hand circled as a wreath. Also, as practically never, I put the card only with die cuts, so you can see that you don't have to really knead all super papers while you have die cuts and create really nice works. Just remember, the imagination is really sky limit. For this particular project, I choose die cuts showing the head of the ears, and I choose 3 of them to create my cards. To designate the middle of the card, I draw 2 lines, vertical and horizontal, which actually are also dividing the card on 4 rectangles, and I drew the circle using the ABstudio mask to prepare something which will be looking like a wreath. To make a decoration on the wreath, I took another stencil of ABstudio, and first a little bit randomly, but then more like consciously I was putting those triangles here and there, also putting the chosen picture to see how it goes together, until I was happy with the result. And you here can see the process of making the main decoration. And here you can see almost done the wreath and its decorations. I'm still adding here and there the smaller stars, but generally it's almost finished. And the final polish is to add some bling to it. Also remember to rubber off the lines which we have created for the central point, to not catch it under the paints or other media which we'll be using later. To mount the main decoration on the card, I have used double-sided foam tape, but this is the thin one, around 1 mm high. Same way I will be mounting the inscription. For adding some bling, you can use whatever you have on hand. It can be Wing of Stella or Noir or glitter, whatever you choose for that. Try to not maybe use it super blinky blink, because this is a subtle card, so if you add up too much, well, it will be too much. Since the most tricky part has been done, so now it's time to finish the card. And here is a final card. Thank you for staying that long, and that you watch my tutorial. All the products used in this tutorial can be found in the description below. If you like the tutorial, please leave the thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed our channel, subscribe! that's all from my side. See you next time. Bye bye!